Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Terrain is equipped with parking sensors and they are not working. This video will apply to second generation of GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. The fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin under the steering wheel, right behind this cover. Now to remove the cover, you'll have two black tabs, one here, one on the opposite side. You want to press them at the same time and pull down. And on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number F41, which is a 10 amp red fuse located in the bottom left corner right here. I hope you can see it. It's kind of awkward to reach to these fuses. This is the one. Okay, and there is actually one more fuse to check for the parking assist, and it will be located in a small fuse box in the luggage compartment just behind this cover. Now to remove the cover you just have to pry it out. You can use a flat screwdriver or even your fingers if you can do it. Okay. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and the fuse you want to check here, it's a fuse number F10, which is a 25 amp fuse located here. Now this is the second fuse you want to check. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.